What's up, everyone? My last potato container, it's red Pontiacs. This thing's been sitting there for almost 5 months. Planted it mid-April. Today is September 7th. It's kind of raining and stuff, but I think it's time for it to come out. Gonna start cutting the tops off, and I guess I'll turn the camera on when I start digging inside and see what's in it. So see you guys soon. Okay guys, the tops are cut off. Put a tarp down. I'm gonna turn this over and try to dig, see what's in it. It's only me today, so I only have one hand to dig and another hand to film. So let's kind of see what's in it. Just dump this over. Oh, it's heavy. Let's go this way. Oh God, it's starting to rain. Or let me just use my feet. Put this over. Uh oh, I see potatoes. It's sure. Wow. Oh, these are big. Oh wow. It's pouring now, guys. So far so good. Oh my God, it's pouring rain. Oh, not bad. These very big ones, like a pounder's in there. Anyways, I'll clean it all up and take a picture. See you later. Okay guys, this is what I got. It's not bad, probably, I don't know, like 5 pounds or so. These are pretty big compared to my hand. It's like my fist. These potatoes, pretty big. Anyways, I'm pleased. Nice haul of red potatoes. So far so good. I hope everyone's having a good day. Garden is still going. There's some beans going on up here. Compost is going. End of the season, so far so good. Everything looks good. See you guys on the next one, guys. See you later. Okay guys, I just washed them. Wow, pretty big potatoes, if I do say so myself. These are regular water bottle. See how big these are. Anyways guys, last one for the year. Not bad at all. Everything's dying down. A little bit of tomatoes still left. So see you later.